Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show the Twinkle Star 408 heavy duty water splitter, that's for hose pipe splitter. This one I purchased from Amazon and it's costed me 19.99 plus tax. So this is the four splitter. This is from Twinkle Star, the company. They gave this one and one this tab and 4 extra washer like this. So this is the one. It has 4 valves and this is metal. So the reason I purchased that one is because I have existing this one. If you guys see the prep step, it looks very nice and decent, but the thing is it broke down. You can see what happened. You can see what is leaking from here. So it broke down just a year. Last year I purchased and it broke down. So that I purchased, I think around 20 bucks. I forgot the price, but looks like it's not a good one. So that's why I'm going with metal one. Hope it will work fine. It will last long, I believe, because it's a metal one. So let me install it then. So I am going to remove this one first, then I will install. Let me remove it. So friends, I just implemented this one. It's very easy. I just plugged it in here and already put it this one because it's very hard. So as you can see now, there are 4 valves. So open it a little bit so water is flowing. I just opened a little bit because I didn't connect anything, or I can so like you can see water is flowing. So that's all about this product. I believe this will be good because it's a metal one. So that's why I purchased, because the other one I showed you is not good. So friends, let me know if you have any suggestion or thought about this. Please put it in the comment box, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.